Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What's up, y'all? We are back. Again with another video. Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I talked about it last week or not, but y'all see that 1K of the subscribers. Ain't God good? Yes. Don't mind my voice. I'm a little raspy right now. But y'all, this hairstyle, right? I talked about doing something similar to this last week, but I was like, it ain't coming out right, so I'm going to just do a whoop-de-whoop. But y'all, this week I actually tried to do it, and I think it came out cute. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy, okay? All right.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. I'm gonna sit with the top down. Oh, there's no tomorrow, we ain't living right now. So let's not waste another day. Cause we're falling to season. Oh, let's take a ride through the same with the top down. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to be with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity. Even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm. Told me I'm. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
So I can stop right here. And it's kind of giving like a mulletish. I'm definitely gonna go back and like try to like push my tips down more to make it more flush with my scalp. I don't know if I'm gonna use bobby pins, but honestly, you can only tell when I'm looking down, because when I'm looking up, it looks fine. So I don't know if I want to keep looping up my hair so it'll be all like this, kind of like the bob look I was talking about last week I wanted to do, or if I do want to have a few down to get me this, like I was telling you, the mullet appearance. What do you think? Well, by the time y'all respond, I would have already made up my mind. But still, tell me what you think, okay? But yeah, this is cute, especially for like a festival type of deal. And that's why I'm fitting to go. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep going and see what happens. If I don't like the way it looks, I'm gonna just take them back down to keep it like the mullety look. But we're gonna keep rocking out and see what we come up with, okay? All right. Y'all. So you can, I can't even talk. Y'all see these little end pieces I already talked about you can pin them down and stuff. They really weren't bothering me as much, but I know if you guys want the cleaner look, I would suggest maybe adding an extra rubber band or extra bobby pins to make sure you don't have them little peekaboo pieces. Side note, do y'all hear this playlist? I found a Christian R&B non-copyrighted playlist. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I've been so tired and kind of embarrassed by having like the other songs up there, especially when they be having all that cussing in it. I don't even cuss, and I'm just so happy I found this, you know? Yeah, just thought I'd share. What you think about the music in the background?
Suffered up until he died. Yet here I am, just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this
And here we have the final look. I did go ahead and put all of them up. So we not rocking a mullet today, but maybe tomorrow. I don't know, who's to say. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. You like my earrings? They are Imani Cowrie 3D printed, super lightweight. I'll be sure I drop my homies link down below. Make sure you go get yourself some. I hope you guys have a safe week. I hope you guys have a blessed week and be great, okay? Peace.